Did you know 70% of potential fitness clients search for personal trainers online, but only 15% actually convert? Why? Because most trainer websites fail to connect. Are you losing clients because your online presence is weak? You're a fantastic trainer, but if your website isn't showcasing your expertise and converting visitors, you are leaving money on the table. Today, I am going to show you how to solve that. Using a Webflow template, you will build a high-converting personal training website that attracts your ideal client and turns browsers into booked sessions. Even if you've never built a website before, by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional personal trainer website with all the essential sections to convert visitors into clients. We'll cover everything from choosing the right template to customizing it step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. When I started helping personal trainers build websites, I noticed a common problem. Many struggle to create a site that showcased their expertise and attracted clients. That's why I am excited to guide you through this process using a simple Webflow template. You'll be surprised how easy and fun it can be. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. I am Altaf Rahman and I am a Webflow Premium Partner specializing in creating powerful websites that convert. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more website tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right template. Head to Webflow's template marketplace using a link in the description. Search for keywords like personal trainer or fitness. Choose a modern, clean design with sections like services, testimonials, blog and contact page. Select a mobile responsive template to ensure the best user experience. If you're looking for free and premium templates, I've gathered the best ones for you. Just head to my description and grab the link. Step 2. Know the essential sections for conversion. Alright, before we dive into customizing your template, let's make sure your site is designed to turn visitors into clients. Here's what you'll need. First up, the hero section. Start with a bold headline like "Transform your body with expert personal training." Then follow it up with a clear call to action. Book your free consultation today. Next, the social proof section. Show off before and after photos to demonstrate results. Add authentic client testimonials and star ratings to build credibility and gain trust. Then, the about section. Introduce yourself with a professional photo. Write a short bio that highlights your certifications, experience, and fitness philosophy. Let your personality shine through. After that, the services section. List your training programs with simple, clear descriptions. Provide pricing details or add a link to your pricing page to make it easy for visitors to explore your offers. Now, the video introduction. Record a short welcome video where visitors can see your energy and passion for fitness. A friendly face can go a long way in building a personal connection. Moving on to the blog or resources section. Share helpful fitness tips, client success stories, or nutrition advice. This positions you as an expert while also boosting your website's SEO. And finally, the contact section. Add a simple contact form and include your social media links. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch with any questions or to book a session. With these 7 sections, your website will be set up to convert visitors into clients. So, what you just saw are our premium templates. They're all mobile friendly, SEO optimized, and super easy to use. No need to worry about adding anything extra. We've already got it all set up for you. Just hit the link in the description to check them out. Step 3. Customizing the template. Now that we've selected the perfect template, it's time to customize it and really make it yours. The goal is to create a website that reflects your personal brand and resonates with your ideal clients. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1. Choosing your colors. Colors set the tone for your brand. As a personal trainer, you want your website to feel energetic, motivating, and empowering. In Webflow, head to your style panel, select your elements, and easily adjust your colors using the color picker. Choose vibrant, bold colors like red, orange, or green. These shades evoke energy, passion, and strength. Complement your primary colors with neutral tones like white, black, or gray to maintain a clean, professional look. For your call to action buttons, pick a contrasting color to grab attention. For example, a bright orange button on a dark background works great. Number 2. Font selection. Next up, let's talk fonts. Your font choice should be clear and easy to read, but also reflect your brand's personality. In Webflow, you can customize fonts by heading over to the typography section, selecting the text block, and choosing your desired font from Google Fonts. Number 3. Personalizing your images and videos. Want to make your website feel personal and authentic? Visuals are the way to go. As a personal trainer, people want to see you in action and get a feel for your training style. With Webflow, adding images is a breeze. Simply drag and drop them into image blocks. For videos, just embed a YouTube or Vimeo link using the video component. Start with a friendly, high-quality headshot that shows you looking approachable. Add photos of you working with clients, demonstrating exercises, or leading group classes. And for that extra personal touch, record a quick 60-second welcome video. It's a simple step that can make a big impact. Number 4. Structuring your content. Your content needs to be clear, engaging, and tailored to your audience. Speak directly to your visitors using a conversational tone. Headlines like "Transform your body with personalized training programs CTA" like "Contact us" or "Book your free session today." Then clearly explain how your training can solve their pain points, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or increased energy. And remember, people connect with stories. Include a section sharing your fitness journey or why you became a personal trainer. Authenticity builds trust. Number 5. Adding testimonials and social proof. Nothing builds credibility like happy client testimonials. Ask your past clients for feedback and feature their quotes on your website. For even more impact, include their before and after pictures if they're comfortable. You can display client quotes with a name and photo. Star ratings to build credibility. Video testimonials for a more personal touch. Webflow makes it easy to create a testimonial slider or a dedicated testimonial section. Just drag in a slider component, add images and text, and customize it to match your site's theme. Number 6. Pricing page. A clear and well-structured pricing page can make all the difference. Start by listing your packages with simple, clear descriptions and prices. Think options like single session, monthly plan, or even custom programs. Next, highlight the benefits of each package using bullet points for easy reading. Bonus tip: add some icons or images to make it visually engaging. And finally, don't forget a strong call to action. Something like "choose your plan" or "start today" works wonders. Make it easy, make it clear, and watch those conversions roll in. Number 7. SEO optimization. Want your website to be easily found online? Here's how you can nail your SEO game. Start with keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant phrases like "personal trainer near me" or "online fitness coach." Next, write clear and keyword-rich meta titles and descriptions for each page so search engines can easily understand your content. Don't forget the alt text for your images. It's not just for accessibility, but also helps improve your search rankings. Ensure your site loads quickly by compressing images and reducing unnecessary code because no one likes a slow website. Finally, keep your blog active with valuable fitness content. Consistent posts will attract visitors and keep search engines happy. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a search-friendly, standout website. Number 8. Mobile optimization. Finally, don't forget about mobile users. Many of your visitors will check your website on their phones, especially after seeing your social media post. Check your site using Webflow's responsive preview tool. Adjust fonts, images, and layouts for smaller screens. Ensure your call to action buttons are easy to tap on mobile. A smooth mobile experience will keep visitors engaged and increase your chances of converting leads into clients. And there you have it, your stunning customized personal trainer website, all set to turn visitors into clients. But wait, what's next? If you are ready to tackle in, simply grab the Webflow template using the link in the description and kickstart your journey. Not quite sure where to begin? No problem. I am here to help. Book a free consultation with me, and together we'll map out how to build a website that truly works for your business. But if you want to level up even further, I've got you covered. Check out my exclusive resources for actionable tips on growing your brand and maximizing your online presence. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make your fitness brand shine. Click those links below, and I'll see you soon. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating powerful websites. See you in the next video.